gives me a right as the speech person done. Don't know a few people. I'm going to know some people. Here are the bags and boxes that we use to make our underwater robot. So what is sea perch? Take a look.
I'm Becky Stacey. I'm a technology teacher at McKeel Academy of Technology, and so we decided to build sea perch ROVs, remote operated vehicles. They came as a kit, and it was basically some uncut PVC pipe with electronic components just in plastic bags, circuit board, motors and things, and the students had to completely put them together. Including soldering the components onto the circuit board, waterproofing the motors, mounting the thrusters, and all of that. So it was a great project for the spring, and then we culminated by coming to the pool to test them.
We added weights because the buoyancy of the noodles made it go up too far, so we had to add weights to counteract the noodles, so that it could stay buoyant and go down. It took us about a week or so to get all of it together because there was a lot of intricate parts, such as drilling holes in the right spots and attaching the motors with wax and water sealing everything.
This program was actually started by the Office of Naval Research. It's called Sea Perch, and the idea was to get students familiarized with an underwater drone assembly. So this one is actually a national competition, and here at McKeel we're just starting out for the first year experimenting with it.
We had the privilege of being at FAU High up in Jupiter. Take a look.
Be part of a community where you can find your voice. Forge friendships. And discover opinions. Where you have the freedom to make your own path. This is Florida Atlantic University High School. Your future awaits.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. I'm currently a senior here. I am currently majoring in behavioral neuroscience. I am working on getting in a lab that deals with connecting fear and long-term memory and how that affects the amygdala. I transferred here from Boca High 2 years ago, so I've had both experiences of working at a public high school and being here, and I think that was it. This is a welcoming environment, and you can fit a lot of those students.
Then you've got your motors. We encase those motors in the old 35 millimeter film canisters. The kids have no idea what that is, and that's kind of fun, a little fun conversation.
Robotics club at FAU, and there's not a student that leaves that program without a job.
This is my manual that I'll be using to make my sea perch robot.
So there will be teachers going to DC, the DC area, serving over the summer, developing even more curriculum, and then they serve for a year.
Since this is my first time soldering, I am paying close attention to the actual video. Imagine middle schoolers and high schoolers doing this here at Congress. Here are the helping hands to help you with the soldering techniques. And these techniques are also being taught at Boynton High School. So let's just go ahead and we'll use this to solder the circuit to the circuit board. Here's my box. Let me get started, with help of course. Here are the other school teachers who are putting together their underwater ROV robots. I think mine will be better. Now this is how my robot ROV should look like once it's done. Here's one completed by other teachers. Of course, mine is the big one, which is not there yet. You'll see in the next few seconds. And now, this is my ROV. It's going around. It's that one, the big one. It's the V. It's going. We're trying to get it to go underwater. Here's some other ones. It's not going underwater. I had to cut some more foam. It's getting tracked by other people. Don't worry. It will survive. Now, let's do it. Now, my boys have named our robot Jibby. And look at Jibby dive underwater and 7 feet of water.
Stay there, stay with it.
It works. If you want to do something like this, please talk to Mr. Dominguez, our engineering teacher, and he'll be happy to work with you in a small team to create your own robots for our school here at Concord.